Hi everybody. Today is Thursday, February 21st of February 2019. My story today is touched my heart, and I would love to share with everybody. I went and get my phone fixed, and then we stopped by this place that sell iPhone accessory, phone cases, and the glass cover. And I met this boy. His name is Nhựt. He is 17 and he worked at this place more than a year. He told me that he worked all month. He has one day off a month. So if he saved all his days off, let's say for 6 months, then he will have 6 days off that he can go home and see his family. And his salary is around $20 to $25 a month. And then he have to pay for the rent and the food. And he worked from 8 o'clock a.m. to 10 p.m. I mean 10:30, and then he say by the time he get home it's 11 p.m. at night. And he couldn't go to school because I think it's a family situation. So he say that once he turned 18 he will go to learn some skill to fix air conditioning. And here it is. I'm sorry. Cưng. Nhật.
Dạ.
Cưng tên Nhật hả?
Dạ.
Cưng làm ở đây bao lâu?
1 năm à.
1 năm. Cưng bao nhiêu tuổi?
17.
Oh, so he is 17. He look like 12. And không, mà cái tiền lúc mà cưng làm cái screen là bao nhiêu tiền? Cái dán cái miếng kiến là bao nhiêu tiền cho chị vậy?
50.000.
50.000, có nghĩa là 2,5 đồng. And the phone case bao nhiêu tiền?
40.000.
40.000. So chị thiếu cưng 90.000. Okay, so the total cost is 90,000 and it's around $4. And he got everything here. All the phone case. I'm gonna show you around real quick. All the phone cases, he gets so many. This is amazing. I guess it's all the phone that you can find. Everything's here. And the shop, hold on, I'll show you real quick. Don't know yet. The shop is called Nói cho chị Trang nghe. Cưng được trả tiền. Quên, cưng đi làm mấy giờ đến mấy giờ?
8 giờ sáng tới 10 rưỡi khuya.
10 giờ khuya. Làm bao nhiêu ngày một tuần?
Là làm hết tháng mà 1 tháng chỉ được nghỉ 1 ngày.
Trời ơi, 7 ngày một tuần.
Không, 1 tháng mình được nghỉ 1 ngày tự chọn.
Wow. Vậy là mình được trả tiền tháng. Rồi 1 ngày tháng được nghỉ 1 lần thôi. Chừng nào cưng về nhà thăm quê, thăm ba mẹ?
Em Tết 2 tháng về được 2 ngày. 2 tháng về lần.
Vậy hả? 2 ngày phép. So, what I'm seeing in Vietnam with this trip is many of my friends, many of my family, many of my relatives that were born and raised in my hometown, they are doing really well. But the social status is very extreme here. Some people are so rich that I couldn't imagine. And there's so many people that's so poor that struggling every day to survive and just to make a living. They are still so many people that are so poor that make $1 a day, but their day is not 8 hours a day, it's more than 10. I mean, from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. to make $1 a day. It just makes me so sad. I wish that I can do so much more than just my video. Well, That's it for today. Bye everybody.